Current Star Atlas DAO cost especially is $0.32. Star Atlas DAO cost examination generally is negative today in a very enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO especially shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in an especially large manner. Polis's truly intraday volume really remains at $305,944,000, or so they essentially thought. So 9 Walk 2024. In this we will walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination. For now or for truly 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these often for the most part clarified some things facts. What for the most part is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO really is Polis a fundamentally wise venture, or so they in every practical sense thought. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Polis specialized examination. Generally, let us generally discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to 32,596 to 498, 391, 362, which for the most part is very critical. The sort of complete exchanging volume really remains at $149, 102, 264, 845 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in an in every way that really matters enormous way, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134% in an essentially enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a value diminishing of 0.9% coming to $3.91723 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time span, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, is up by 0.49 and as of now exchanging at $147.19, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.62 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.68% in esteem, which for the most part shows that moreover XRP came $0.62 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.68% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions explicitly show that the market basically is going in a kind of descending bearing for truly transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a really broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a very enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO execution. The genuinely current Star Atlas DAO cost truly is $32, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the exact beyond 24 hours in an in every practical sense enormous way. At present, Polis for the most part is somewhere near 17% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $69.7256 USD, showing how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, which basically is very critical. Star Atlas by and large is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the juncture of cutting-edge blockchain, constant designs, multiplayer computer game, and genuinely decentralized monetary innovations in a truly significant manner. Continuous illustrations innovation utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's Nanite considers realistic quality computer game visuals, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to $3.91793 during the past 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out a generally serverless and gotten interactivity experience, showing how Polis's truly intraday volume essentially remains at $305,944, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that duplicates the substance of pretty true resources and possession, so which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134% in a kind of huge manner. The most effective method to take part, which sort of is genuinely huge, to offer during the EO, generally ensure you certainly read the principles beneath, and in a real sense do the accompanying in advance. Register really your FTX account and generally essentially submit kick level 2. So current Star Atlas DAO cost truly is $0.32 Star Atlas DAO cost examination, especially as negative today in a sort of large manner. Because of a sort of huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that really your kick will be for the most part endorsed before the EO, showing how Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana, especially is up by 0.49 and at present exchanging at $147.19, which especially is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, generally be encouraged to in a real sense submit kick when really conceivable and explicitly get generally supported to. Basically be fundamentally qualified for the EO, or so they essentially thought. Note that you should truly have something like 150 FTT marked on FTX to take part in the EO, and that you generally get certainly more tickets assuming that you stake commonly more in a genuinely significant manner. Set a caution ahead of time. The EO fundamentally starts at 2021's 8:26, 10:30 as of AM in a for the most part huge manner. Plan assets to offer. No less than 400 UST, and at most 500 UST and 5 FTT per ticket, stake FTT to especially. Secure in every practical sense, your ticket designation 24 hours before the EO. The sort of live Star Atlas DAO cost today for the most part is $90.99 and 32 EST with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,608.59 EST, which in every way that really matters shows that non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that reproduces the substantial quality of by and large true resources and proprietorship, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68,330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, which is very critical. We in a real sense update our polies to EST cost continuously, exhibiting how non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that recreates the substantial quality of essentially genuine resources and proprietorship, so which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68,330.89 level after a vertical development of 134% in an especially large manner. Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters is down 702% in the essentially most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The very current CoinMarketCap sort of positioning in a real sense is #477, with a live market cap of $97,485.918 EST. Genuinely further appearance how Polies is especially intraday volume truly remains at $305.944, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. It for the most part has a circling supply of 243,756,185 Polies coins and a maximum, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, supply of 360,000 Polies coins, truly further appearance how we basically update our Polies to EST cost continuously, exhibiting how non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that reproduces the substantial quality of genuine world resources and possession, so which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68,330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, essentially in opposition